Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you one simple C program that takes one input as year. Then that program will tell us whether the given year is leap year or not leap year. You get such questions in internals, or you may get such questions in VTU main examination. Even though if you won't get this question, you can use this program as an example for if-else statement. Oh, interesting. Means just practice for exam. You may get or you may not get the question. You can write it as even example also for if-else statement, because this program becomes example for if-else statement. Let us discuss. Before writing a C program to check whether the entered year is leap year or not leap year, first we need to know which one is called as leap year. I hope you might be knowing. Every year is not a leap year. Then which one is called as a leap year? In which year February 29 will come, that year is called as leap year. February 29 will not come every year. February 29 will come for every 4 years. That is what we call leap day. Extra day will come for every 4 years. That fourth year is called as leap year. Leap years are years where an extra day is added to the end of the shortest month. Shortest month among all 12 months is February. The extra day is added. That extra day is called as leap day. That is what? February 29. Leap years will have 366 days instead of usual 365 days, and occur almost for every 4 years. Okay, leap years will have 366 days instead of 365 days. Look at these examples. 2012 is leap year because in this year we get February 29. Next, in the year of 2013 we won't get, 14 we won't get, 15 we won't get, but in 2016 again February 29 will come. Again we won't get in 17, 18 and 19. 2020 is leap year. Afterwards we won't find 29th day in 2021, 22, 23. Again 2024 is leap year. These are called leap year. That means you need to develop one software or one program that takes one input, that takes one year as input. Then that program will tell us whether that entered year is leap year or not leap year. If I give the input as 2012 to that software, that software will tell me that 2012 is leap year, 2013 is not leap year, 2014 is not leap year, 2015 is not leap year. If you give the input as 2016, I get the output like 2016 is leap year. If I give the input as 2018, not leap year, 2020 leap year. These are all different outputs we note down after writing the program. I hope little bit you are getting the knowledge behind writing this program. Let us continue. Leap years occur mostly every 4 years. Not mostly, definitely occurs for every 4 years. But every 100 years we skip a leap year, unless the year is divisible by 400. What is this logic? I explain. No need to worry. These are the leap year, these are the not leap year. Let us discuss more. It's very interesting. Our earth rotates around the sun. Yes, we know. Our earth revolutions around the sun. In order to rotate earth around the sun, earth takes how many days? 365.242189 days. That means our earth is not taking exactly 365, it is taking more days. That means 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 45 seconds. Means our earth rotates around the sun within an year for how many days? 365 days and 5 hours 48 minutes 45 seconds. Means a little bit it is rotating more. Approximately it rotates 6 hours more. 5 hours 48 minutes means approximately you can take 6 years. Sorry, not 6 hours. Means every year 6 hours extra it rotates. 6 fours are how much? 24. That means within 4 years it rotates one extra. That means one extra day will come. That is what we call leap day. That is what the leap year. I hope you have understood. Earth rotates around the sun not exactly 365 days. 365 days, then extra 6 hours it takes approximately. Then the 6 fours are 24. For every 4 years, one extra day will come. That is what we call leap year. If we didn't add a leap day on February 29, if we won't add it, almost every 4 years, each calendar year would begin about 6 hours before the Earth completes its revolution around the Sun. That's why we need to add it. I hope you understood. Okay. Then how to write the program? But leap year rules. What are the rules? If the year is divisible by 4, if the year is divisible by 4, then that is a leap year. Okay, 2012 is divisible by 4. 2016 is also divisible by 4. 2020 is also divisible by 4. Means the year which is divisible by 4, that is leap year. Getting? 2013 is not divisible by 4. 14 is also not divisible. Means what is the condition? Year must be divisible by 4, but one more condition is there. Year must be divisible by 4, but it should not be divisible by 100. If the year can also be divided by 100, assume that one year you have given as input, it is divisible by 4 also, that year is divisible by 100 also, then that is not leap year. Then what is the condition? Year must be divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100, then that is leap year. This is one condition, both together one condition. Year must be divisible by 4, not divisible by 100. If assume that year is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 100 also, then that is not leap year. Divisible by 100, not divisible by 100. Divisible by 4, not divisible by 100, then that is leap year. One more condition, if the year is evenly divisible by 400, then also it is leap year. Okay, let us study some more. See this flow chart, you'll understand. We give one year as input. Assume that year is divisible by 4. Only divisible by 4, that is not leap year. Only divisible by 4 is not leap year. Huh? It is divisible by 4. Yes. But whether it is divisible by 100? No. Then that is a leap year. Look at this. Divisible by 4? Yes. Divisible by 100? No. Then that is leap year. At what time that is leap year? Divisible by 4, not divisible by 100. This is one condition. One more condition. If it is divisible by 400, then that is a leap year. If not divisible by 400, then not leap year. That means there are two conditions. First condition is that year must be divisible by divisible by 4, and compulsory year should not be divisible by 100. This is one condition. Year must be divisible by 100. That must be divisible by 100, but year should not be divisible by 100. Then that is leap year. This is one condition. Okay. But one more condition is there, or one more possibility. What is that? Year must be divisible by 400. then also leap year. Oh, this is what the condition. Interesting condition. That means year must be divisible by 4. Year should not be divisible by 100, or year must be divisible by 400. If this condition is true, this is called first condition. This is what the first condition. If the first condition is true, then also leap year. If the second condition is true, then also leap year. Means year must be divisible by 4, not divisible by 100, then also leap year. Or if it is divisible by 400, then also leap year. This is what if else we use here. Here we write else. If this condition is true, if any one of them is true, if or means what, already you know, true, if any one of the condition is true, or and means what, compulsory true. First is also true, second is also true. That means year must be divisible by 4, not divisible by 100. In this case also leap year. Entered year is leap year. If it is divisible by 4, not divisible by 100, then also leap year. If it is divisible by 400, then also leap year. If this condition false, then you can copy, then paste. Okay. You being a computer science and engineering student or engineering student, you need to be thorough with copy, paste, cut, paste, everything also, so that you can type the program early in computer programming lab. Learn all those things. This is what if else. If else, I hope you know how it works. If we write compulsory, we give one condition here, no semicolon. Here main opening parenthesis, last one is closing parenthesis. Now this is a sentence I have written. Machine will not understand like this. You have to convert this intelligence into machine understandable code. Then how to convert? I explain. Assume that year is variable, it is having the entered year, and I hope you know mod operator. Mod operator will give us the reminder. Mod operator will give us the reminder after division operation. I hope you know. Okay, shall I explain? What is the name of it? Mod. It gives reminder. It gives reminder after division operation. Let us discuss. Look at the example. 10 mod 2. 10 mod 2 is how much? 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. Getting? 2 5s are 10. Quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. Another example. 9 mod 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 is quotient. Remainder is 1. Okay. Next, any other example? 100 mod 3. 3 3s are 9, 10. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Okay. Next, 100 60 61 mod 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 11 remaining. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 1. Okay, means mod operator will give us the reminder. If you want quotient, we write 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is how much? Quotient. It gives quotient. 2 5s are. It gives 5. Similarly, 9 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 is the quotient. Next, 100 divided by 3. 3 33s are. Okay, 99. 33 is the quotient. Next, 61 divided by 5. 5 12s are 60. Quotient. In CPL lab, examiners will ask you what is the difference between this and this. How to answer this question? Sir or madam, first one is mod operator, second one is division operator. It gives a reminder after division operation. It gives quotient after division operation. If you answer like this, you get very good marks in exam. Viva versa. Now this mod will help us to solve this problem. Now you have to check whether the year is divisible by 4 or not. And how do you check whether the year is 2020 is divisible by 4? Then you have to divide by 4. If it is divisible by 4, definitely we get the remainder as 0. Then 2020 should not be divisible, not 2020 mod 100. Whether year should not be not divisible by 100, not equals to 100. Means 2020 is divisible by 4, but 2020 is not divisible by 100, not equals to. I hope you understood. That one we write here. Here what I do, I write if. Then year must be divisible by 4. This is double equals to. Double equals to is equality operator. Here we get one reminder. We get one reminder here. If the remainder is 0, means divisible by 4. If year is divisible by 4 and compulsory, logical and in C language and twice we write, and compulsory year should not be means not equals to. Year mod 100, we get one reminder. That reminder should not be 0, not equals to 0, should not be. Means year is divisible by 4, but year is not divisible by 100. This is first condition. This is what I have written first condition in machine understandable code. This is what the first condition. Then logical OR, pipe symbol. On keyboard above the enter key, you have pipe symbol depending on keyboard. Shift and that pipe, you write twice. This is logical OR. Second condition is that year must be divisible by 400. That year must be divisible by 400. If that is divisible by 400, we get 0. Whether 0 matches with 0? Yes. Year must be divisible by 4. Oh, machine understandable expression I have written. And machine understandable logical operator I used. Year should not be divisible by 100. Year should not be divisible by 100. This is first condition. Then OR, this is second condition. Year must be divisible by 4. And put both the conditions within opening and closing parentheses. Oh my god, this is what machine understandable code. If it is true, I print the message. I hope you know how to print the message. Printf /n means cursor moves down. %d is leap year. %d is the format specifier. Here I write the variable year. That means if I have given the input as 2020, I get 2020 is leap year. Else, then I write, I do copy paste, select it, go for copy, then go for paste. Okay, then %d is not leap year. This is what if else we call. This is what we call if else. I hope you know how that if else works. How that if else works? If means machine will check the condition. If the given condition is true, then this works. If the given condition is false, false one works. Okay, any one of them works. Any one of them works. Okay, I hope you have understood. Have you all understood? Very good. But this is what if else we have written. But before checking, you have to read it, no? How to read the input already you know. Scanf %d, then %year. Machine is waiting to get one input. Whether do you read directly? No. First we print the message for end user of our software, no? Enter year to be check. Then I write enter year to be check. But whether before whether can you use the variable directly? No, you have to define it. No, int year. I defined the variable. Here my program started. Here my program completed. I hope everyone has understood. Okay, have you understood? This is what how to write the program. This is what how to write the program. Then whether you give these first instruction, second, third, fourth instruction, whether you give continuously? No, you have to write all the instructions inside the main function in C program. Whether you write without header file? No, we write the header file. Hash include standard input output header file. This is the answer for the question. Write a C program. Write a C program to check whether the year is leap year or not leap year. Sir, what is this? After this much of explanation, we have understood the program, sir. If you reply like this, I will be happier, because I spent time to explain you with very cool mind. Really, if it helped you, please comment on it. It inspires me to explain more clearly for the forthcoming problems. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Now this is what the answer. Now let us run this program and I will show you how to run this program. Now I show in Turbo C++ editor. In my computer I have Turbo C++. Double click. You need to wait. Please comment on my lecture video so that I can come up with the topic whichever you are going to like. Please share my videos with your other college friends also. Okay, let us start. Window and close all. First what I did, I go for window menu, close all. All files are closed. Sorry, I hope this screen is not visible for you. Okay, wait. Okay, now whether the screen is visible for you? Yeah, very good. Go for file, new. Go for window, zoom. Okay, first hash include stdio.h, then void main opening bracket int year, semicolon is must. CL or SCR I told you to use if you are working with Turbo C++. It clears the monitor terminal. If you are working with Ubuntu, do not use it. Then printf will print the message. Enter year to be checked. You are the developer. You are developing the software. That one you should not forget. Scanf. Scanf will take one input from user. Address we need to read and store. Then tab you can press, logic will be clear for you. If year mod 4, if it is divisible by 4 and compulsory, not divisible by what? 100. Year mod 100 not equals to 0. This is one condition. Year must be divisible by 4, not divisible by 100. You can use separate parenthesis and put, that is also correct. And logical OR, pipe symbol. Year mod 400 double equals to 0, means that must be divisible by 400. This is the first condition, in which case the given input is leap year, or the second case. Here main parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Then here we printf %d is a leap year. Okay, %d replaces with year. Oh, nice. Then else you can copy it. To copy you can use mouse, otherwise shift and down arrow. Go for edit menu and copy. Then edit menu and paste. You can save the time in lab. Control key H for unselect. If you are working Turbo, delete. You must be thorough with shortcut keys so that you can complete early. If you are working with Turbo C++, use get ch to wait. Otherwise don't use. I have written the program. Save it. Leap C. Run the program. Alt R, Control F9. Run. Enter the year to be checked. 2020. 2020 is leap year. Run. 2021. Oh my god, I have not changed the message. Sorry. It is not leap year. Here, a false block. Save it. Run. 2021. Not leap year. Run the program. 2020 leap year. 2024 leap year. 2025 not leap year. Oh, very good. Now you developed the software. You can sell it for 5 rupees. No. You cannot sell it, but you gain knowledge. This knowledge helps you to solve problems in companies. Infosys. Okay. Infosys and Wipro, Honeywell. And different companies are waiting for you. Okay. Be inspired. Please write the comments. Thank you one and all. Take care. Have a nice day.